What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to create a program, Java program that will read from files. To do that, first I'm going to import java.io, import java.io.asterisk, and after that import java.util.asterisk, and then public class coffee is my class name, so I put it right here. And to read from the files we had to put this one, private scanner is to read from the files, scanner x, and then I'm going to create a function to create the file. Actually I'm going to read from the existing file. Now let's look at the file here. Here I have already created a file, american.txt. So let's see what is in this file. Okay, american.txt. okay, here we go. So in this file we have 20 Taliban Nagrasar, 60 Jodo, 50 Mike Ike, and 49 Sis Pris. So we are going to read all this from, read from this file. So we already know the name of this file is american.txt. So I'm going to call this one right here. First I'm going to introduce another function, that is public void open file, and in this one we are going to put try x is equivalent to new scanner. We are going to open the file american.txt. So new file, the name of the file is american.txt, and catch exception e, and in this one if we made a mistake we are going to have a message like could not find file, system.out.println could not find file. Okay, now we have this one. Now we are going to create a while loop to read all of these from the files. So to do that I'm going to create another function called read file, public void read file, and in this file we are going to create a while loop, that is x.hasNext. So what does it does is it's go through all of the typed things in the file we saw already. It's going to go through every single one and it's going to end as the file, the written words end. Okay, now we need 3 strings, string a, because if you look at this one, I opened this file, if you look at this one we have 20 Taliban Nagrasa. So 20 is one of the string, Taliban is one of the string, Nagrasa is another string. So we have 3 strings for each of these lines. So that's why we are introducing 3 strings. So it will replace each of the time, this A will be replaced with the first one, B will be replaced with second one, and the C will be replaced with third one. Okay, now let me close that. Okay, so string A is equal to x.next, and then we have to have same like this BC. So I just copy paste it right here, copy, and then paste it right here, and paste it one more time. So this is B, and the next one is C. Okay, now we need to print out all of these things. So to get the printout, we put system out statement, system dot out dot printf. Since we have 3 strings, I put percentages, 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 and to have the new line, I put \n each time, \n, then ABC, ABC. Okay, that's it for this one. Now we have to also close the file. There's some error showing here. Let me see what's that. System.out println. Okay, let's see what is that error. Okay, catch exception is system dot out dot println, and then could not find file. Could not find file. System dot out. Let's see. Let's finish this one. To close this one, I am going to create another one. Public void close file, and to close this one, we put x.close, x.close. Okay, then that's it for this one. Now let's go to the new one. Okay, here we want to read from the file. So to read from the file, I put class cup and then public static void main string and then square bracket and then inside of this function we are going to put coffee r for the reading. Coffee r is equal to new coffee. Okay, now here we want to do 3 things. We want to open the file, read the file, and close the file. So to open the file, we put r.open file, and to read the file we put r.read file, and close the file we put r.close file. So I just copy paste it right here and change the names. Paste, and this one should be close file, actually read file. Second thing is reading, so read file. The third thing is close file. So it's going to close. Okay, let's see what's wrong here. System dot out exception exception e system.out. Okay, this one should be .out print line. Could not. Let's see what's that. Let's run this one and see what the error showing. Am I missing a bracket? Let's see. Oh, that's the problem. I put a double bracket right here. So I had to take one of this one out, and then now it's perfect. Now let's run this one. Is there any error? Nothing. Let's run this. Now you can see it reads all the names. 20 Taliban Nagrasa, 60 Jodo, 50 Mike Ike, and 49 Cispris. Now let's go ahead and see what's happening here. So what does this do? First, it's going to go to the American.txt. If we have an error, it's going to say could not find file. So since we don't have error, it's directly printing out. Then it will go to the read file. Then what's that while loop do? We have ABC. Each time A will be replaced with 20, B will be replaced with Taliban, and C will be replaced with Nagrasa. So, and then it prints this one out, and then it repeats and print the second one. Repeats, print the third one, and at the end it finishes the program. Okay, while loop runs until it reads this one. And that's how we printed this. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.